Today we are taking a quick walking tour of the salon of the 1998 Carver 326 Port-O-Vino as she sits here at Marbella in Destin, Florida. Of course, we have a nice settee that does convert to a bunk. Large TV, plenty of cockpit space here, or plenty of salon space I should say, including the master unit for the Fusion with not one, not two, not three, but 4 zones: salon, cockpit, flybridge, and exterior. Stepping down, come to a well-appointed galley with a microwave, the Norcold refrigerator, stainless sink, and a solid surface cooktop. Of note is a dinette that does convert to a V-bunk. And of course, a very large head for a 32-footer with a vacuum flush. Stepping aft, we come to the aft cabin, obviously, and she has 2 bunks. She has a single bunk to starboard, a vanity in the center, and then off to port we have the double bunk. There is a TV here in the aft cabin as well as in the main salon. And of course, she is a Florida boat now, so she's got AC. And it's actually about 85 degrees outside. Thank you for taking the quick walking tour of the 1998 Carver 326 Port-O-Vino. She sits here in Destin, Florida.